Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe from Phandroid. We're back taking a look at another game. This one's called Mekorama. It's kind of like a cross between Minecraft and Monument Valley. It's a lot of fun. Let's take a look. To start Mekorama, you're going to choose one of the levels which are shown as a card here. And in the first level, you're going to get to watch the robot fly in. This is the character that you're going to be navigating through these levels. So the first level is just teaching you how to play the game. So all you do is you tap on a spot and the robot will walk to that spot. And then you could swipe your finger to get a better view of the level. And when you tap somewhere, if it's possible to go there, the robot will go there. If it's not possible to go to that spot, you'll see a red X. So in this first level, it's very easy. We just got to get there to the goal, which is a red circle. And that's the first level. So now we'll try something a little bit more difficult. So in this one, there's a lot more dimension to the level. We can go up and down, as you'll see. And there's also some movement in bigger sections. So anything with the block that has the circle on it, that is something that you can move. So we're going to move this, and that's going to help us get to the other side. And now there's a little tunnel underneath that we can walk through, and then we're going to move the thing to the middle. We're going to get on the raft. And now this is a little bit of the problem solving that you're going to find in the game. We're going to use this little island on the side, and that's going to help us get to the other side of the little raft thing. And now we can walk all the way through and move this over here, and then we can get to the other side again, but now we're up higher. And now that we're to the other side, we can walk all the way across and complete the level. And so you can see here just at a glance, this is kind of like that Monument Valley game where you are rotating the map to get different perspectives. And it's also like Minecraft because everything is blocks. Now this is a harder yet level. There's a little bit more problem solving involved. So in this level, there's a lot of moving parts. As you can see here, we move this little propeller type thing on the end, and that's going to fill in blocks on the top so that we can make it to the other side. Now that we're to the other side, we can walk down, and we're going to do that again to go in the next direction. Now we can use this little platform to bridge across, and one more time we're going to go to the other side. And there we go. Now we can walk down the steps and get to this bottom grassy level. But we're not done yet because now there's some blocks in the way of our path, so we can move those, get out of the way. And there we go. Now we can get to the end. So that is the levels. And as you can see, they get progressively more difficult. There's a few that I have not even been able to figure out yet. But we swipe over, and now we have scan levels. So these are levels that you've noticed the QR code on every card. You can share these levels and scan them and bring them into the game. So these are levels that people have actually made. So this is one that I scanned from Twitter, and you can see someone, they put some robots and stuff in here. So let's see if I can figure this out. So there we go, I got to the end of this level, and this is something that someone made, which is really neat. And if I swipe over, this is the make levels. So here's an example of a level that I made. It's super simple. You can see there's just a step. These are all the tools at your disposal. So if I want to add bricks, I can do that. You can remove bricks. And pretty much anything that you see in the game, you can add here. And then when you're done with the level, you can try it out and see if it's possible to beat. So here I'm going to try out my level. I have a one moving part, bring you up to the second story, and then you get up there and you can finish. So very simple. Obviously, I didn't spend a lot of time on it, but this is kind of the Minecraft aspect. You could spend a ton of time making some very elaborate levels. And if you just search for the hashtag on Twitter, you'll be able to find a lot. The cool thing about this game is it's free, but you can pay what you want to support the developer. You don't have to pay anything, but if you want to, you can do it. And there are a few basic options, but you don't really need to do that. The game is called Mekorama. It is free. It is very fun, very well designed game. and you can actually add to the game, which is a really cool aspect of it. So give it a shot if you're into that type of thing. Thanks for watching, guys.